In this example, we look at how Quest is used to provide content for a computer security course. Here we see that Dr. Bill Young has some videotapes online of him providing lectures on the foundations of computer security. We'll view a brief snippet of one of these.
Okay, hello, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about security as risk management. What does that mean? Well, in the last lecture I talked about why security is difficult. And so if you can't attain perfect security, how do you deal with that situation? Do you just throw up your hand and say, well, security?
Well, you can see a couple of advantages of this type of format. When the professor is in front of a whiteboard, you can see him giving the lecture. He can emphasize certain aspects and maybe provide demonstrations. And also the whiteboard provides the ability to show quite a bit of different media or media-rich content. Once they have gone ahead and viewed this lecture, they might watch another lecture. This is lecture 4 on aspects of security. Then this course utilizes essay questions in Quest, where the students can provide feedback or answer questions about the content they have viewed as an essay. They can type their answers into the box, or they can upload a file. So there's a fair amount of flexibility in how they can answer using an essay question. This concludes this example.